Sa programang ito, kami ay binabayaran upang magtanim ng puno sa mga kalbong kagubatan ng Southern Sierra Madre. Aaminin ko na sa puntong ito, isa lang itong paraan upang kumita ng pera.
But despite the challenges brought, there are stories of hope in a community that rises to protect their environment and secure a better future.
Internalize the importance of forests, the importance of protecting the environment, the importance of biodiversity.
Forest conservation is a process that involves different activities that are reinforcing to reach our target goals.